mum dwene ye ho ne ade car no munim ho asem sei ma mentio
Michia mutiefo nyina car no ewo ho no yenton na enfefi ga na ha so nko se ekoton new ambulances cater his ambulances Ghana by Eddie Breyer. Part of COVID-19 ambulance and on the World Bank project. Eddie Breyer. And then the drew I say, and take delivery of the ambulances. But me say, we should never go we economy, ambulances never be years. A better battalion, maybe a big Ghana for us. And so big I say. Ambulance na anya na kwe na garage na to ambulance ni sino manufacturer na garage we dey kosi ho so wo koton car also according to the video commentator no no so wo koton car wo garage na wo say wo car yera akopie ho na so wo ye first time I saw call the owner of the garage or finance what is this car doing here.
That's right.
Won't you mean yes sir? Now we video. 2. So won't you mean and so authorities, police or how much report say yeah car back 1 year I could say intimate person never report no in investigation mommy. Meaning I want you mean yet no one contract. But my son that's our yes citizen journalism it doesn't prevent you from cross checking your information. Oh now try to say it 2 or memo. That's Osha a boy.
Okay.
Ambulance no, we are not. It's not for sale.
Kara, in your statement, must say one of 26 Toyota Hayes ambulances are abino de bagana. Maybe next month or so, Krano. Abino be send the search fleet diaba. Na adena baku penisiwo. Na be a 26 in almost. O statement don't say car na ready. Why only one?
I don't know. I cannot tell why one. We are sure say some of the ambulances is likely to be added to the ambulances for shipment. Because we are making that kind of say we as an institution, an agency of government, any a mother minister of health, a pre-shipment inspection. Okay with the ambulances we expected. So what we know or what we are expecting is to get our the 26 new ambulances, which are in say by the close of the month, we take delivery of all the 26 new ambulances. But I cannot answer that. But that particular ambulance logo at that there, what I can say, it is not for sale.
Okay, and now, all kinds to say, Ghana buying cars, Libya, or they bremu mamo de aka the fleet of ambulances are more ever Ghana hano.
No correct.
Okay, Medasi, me from Sia, yes, to be the actually, Bosume the Enche Crabeba, you ever saw it in common view. Simon Kera, Medasi. Okay, and he Kwabra Masuma. Mate said, Waba,
a banner say no, and will be attending once.
That's right.
On say yes, I'm job for no the Ebeka, but say in your free cruise sources, Nase, Yan verify some no, in your free cruise sources, no. Either say a positive and I say negative, Nasi a Trahakabi Bri, Nase, and Penifona Mamma Clay almost side and no. If you understand our government hospital, yes, a Bassani and your face.
Anybody Japan said, Dunka government hospital. I saw me every Omanhene Yaw. Na Dr. Bamudu Bamiati ho. Ena Omanhene question say adenti. Ena my Ghana ye too far ngwa 17% depend enya. Abra Nigeria no me ade enya over 50 something percent. Ye ntie no.
make an person being contradict himself the mind the all can in no correct Ghana for identity benya why than Ghana for Bewo gold a good year number 2 mfaso also bechem na ho fan so e ba de aduro kono miensa ekwa amonone why there you run Nigeria Equatorial Guinea oil na betu no mfaso ye wura 51% ne koba ho Ghana nhwehwemu make an person being contradict himself the mind the all can in no correct Ghana for identity benya 17% identity ye wura other room and need ye kwanso benya 17% no penka bia me di birthday galamse fo bi baba she baby na atacha makọ won na dedue anwo hay miane nim emfiri won so birthday boys and mine so na nkro ntim adua na stars na obobor na sese nkokọ bi ye wie ye no kan beduru ntam enso baas na no di machi no ba meduru ntam na ja hene nko antimi nante enam so amama ye late edikan ndenchia Stronko efri abempredase nananum ebono reaching House of Chiefs edema Cubana for dakase anenwodi abeka no Cubana Home Convention na madamwase se hoto honsa frɛ ye se yesuso yentimi nyede embeka ho nka se Cubana de niema anwaye.
Okay. Yada se asama no Omanhene kan Ghana fo nyina yesu sa ade no se date na ya gudi a yetuo ye oil a yetuo na ye ne ye bibie Omanhene kufo any EO group etimi discover oil no tallow oil buy any one more aka nyina baaye no kwabene nimdie na na yedi tuo no no kura ne se ye ni bi sika na yedi wura agudie no tu oil no ye ni bi gold wi Anglo Gold Newmont takwa won mo nimdie ne sika investment no mo de ba no ye ni bi
oboase
eti pempi no be ya o ka no se ye ni abre ye ko ho tintin nyina no but mpanimfo no bi so amoa omo komodie ene omo apese minkumnya ene shares bi o benyanti no omo fa kontrase ye wo adwuma bebre o Ghana ha mpanimfo bi o mamu ha no ma eye government work but contract no ye obi o ha otifie no odidie obo o abanimu ene wati company bi de ne namfofo bi ahya no no omo didie ejo omo tra contract no so no omo san a eye omo fu and Ghana hey 2 gold 7%. 2 gold yeah oil bibia 17%. Now they can 83% no e come out. But do we blame ourselves?
And so be our contract no. Na dey one character mu say o man no nya no. Na more than that.
Yes.
Because on say I say wakoje concession say. So for mama no aduane ma workers no. Me na me hwe say e bebo apata asi so. Madam in a hwese load no e tu amena no mu a ibeyidi aba abonten pike na hwese load na ya yi na da e breaking day no ye beche nti wo so na wo supervise na wo sponsor nti amena ba akofɛ no enipa ye mu adwuma no nti ye wi a ye bebuku e bi ankrata no yes e bi a 5%
senior wo be chete
yes 5% but you beku no na ye more than that
who there we yes to we also be mind the we analysis enya nru ho
Jene de ne mato die fiano obi a odi otini
na ko si answer
how's ya talented kid
no no talented kid
boss what I say enti obi ankrata mu na ente sa because me no matras de ehunu say yakosuku aduru baabi na nyame ama ya dwene nyansa yetimi de mobile phone etena ye dem etimi edidwa ebra won fa ka enko baabi ebra won fa sika nhye wo ho enkopie obi kroma akromfo nkwaje wo kwan mu a ede ne si ye ho kwan se odoma nkoma boy ya o maye sa japade yi a
yenya
ho nimdie no bi e de entira si ebetime de fun aye sa business we nyina bra wo hye wo dem anopai e bia obi mpia bonten boss ye wa ha se bia ye oda duane de bia ye fa fun krek
se wan hwan novels
na wadi aduane na bra wo de opa bia no delivery guy no yes na delivery guy no de abra pepepe e bra wo mpie nkwa bonten se sia ye te ha se sia yi wo betime afa fun aye bia aye fun aye bibia bra wo mpie nkwa abonten enti die enti na
na ni pasa de koba
you see enti die enti na ye bibi te say
fidelity
ye betumi aboa ama adoma nkoma japade na wode amaye no yetimi asakra niam se bia nkrata no a ye de manipa na bia obegye adwuma no wa
de it is time we sit down with
I don't make
the case of Omanhene said and finance minister Kwaka said they are doing renegotiations. Okay. Because also the share take or pay agreement he create baby sign obeka say we paying almost $500 million every year the ma obia machine esi wo no yakogye say eye kanea no yeso yenso ye betuaka Sompa enti bebre ne asan about 13 o ma ya tete so aba still we are paying enti kwabra asem no nyina akowie say ye mpanimfo no adwena ye omo de dwene omanfo no ho ekonkan no ewo fom omo dwene omo yedie no omo busia the immediate family no too much
on say oba de be ma hyedem enane ne kunu hyedem na nkoda no wa abonte a enkomo na omo di ne dem won e different from the nkoda no te na abonte
no so de tiawa
yes enti say ekoba se bia mpanifo no ehia on say bi wo ha so mba o program no so wie na say bia ye pie na so mo ba so mo pack omo cars no wa anim ha wo de se ejinafo no mo two cars na ya akohe say obeka say mami we ne mami ne di we achi boss e be kan what say
acha ayon kofano
but also mobile public TV so say no a once we wo ja one control kakra so me
o we ya say masa e go di fo
what I say e wi aso bia no be kamfo ne kurabada e my sister ni adazoa say ne adazoa o mami no na sister nso o mami no e be ye den pass sister be kasa adazoa ma no wo ka che ne man e bi nsida nti Ghana obi ansu no be chaade obi sise no nti ye nti okay
good no na wana ye samla no o me ya che
ya ti sagu ho
ma no mo bless wana
dabi o ma bari ku for cry time ni adia eso atia na at the point you can good cry they say it went off and I opim so ne I fan say nana do yakwa ku for the time bana engu ya na me person gi say egu there were problems zuba mo time o mo hwe ya said o metima ya ba
we dey sank ya disi so na Ghana mpanifo ne hemfo o mu nyina gina musa de be na menya ye nto akire de no de be na menya no mo woso ya ho sa chese de pa na bra yenya
the company for no to sa nyo
ni enfom ye mo nsa
te say wa kwa wa you know
sa na nko mu ginam no mo ntoma epagu na wo mo so ehihye kotu no mo tai no mo ginam na sa nyu ginam de be na menya na ye chese ko mo de sa ehuri sa be 3 hours non stop e wa wiem ka be bra to wonu pa na ye san hihye no me am timi dwom sa ah ejapade ne ye de a eti akoturement o mo de betuni ti no mo fa ne ma ni
any sika ode ba ene do maybe so ahon tax rebate no bebre no say IMF buy omo yi tax rebate omo de ma companies omo yi almost 80% free so obi timi say that ko say company bi achi na one broni na ekanana na broni na be factory yes 10 years on to your tax say sikari nyira o de ma no du obi amfie num na Ghana need ono no be factory no
yebegunu
ada obi a factory na no kra no na Ghana Revenue Authority for
yebegunu kra
oh ye de ho saa be si na ti do Omanhene ka obisa say gentia
ye tumi nya ho hwe o ma chiche
no na oh do me bia na the military leader bi ba no agiga say na ye ntua ne ye mpene ne ade no but me feel say they can renegotiate
exactly because bla ayesisie do say ye niema e wo ke betimi dia o ye hwe oboase na dia na awe ho ni say ba bi o mutu sa niema ni nyina nso
aho kire kese
anu na ya ntiase
ko bibia ni town rules ye 2 box sites
monto
hwɛ Newmont wokɔ hɔ nom a hwɛ yi mu Kenya asifo so a da bi ɔmo firi so ɔmo akwan futuro ɔmo gu susu
sɛ yɛ sa tu ɔmo kora yɛ sɛ ɔmo sa be wo firi afri sepa ɛkɔ yɛ utram
Yankopɔn adom
kuro na wɔ bebre tɛkyerɛ
ɛna na ɔboasefo betima kasɛ
yɛ so ɔmo betuo nyina
Obuasi town roads after 100 years and now Obuasefo betim dom sɛ ɔmo bo sɛ ɔmo wɔ akwan
ɔmo ayama wo
Obuasi town roads there excellent I think Zuba mo na hyɛ but majority no ultimate say omo but wo hwɛ Obuasi a any gold no a for over 100 years nya ni mpuntuo ni e was say skyscrapers I wo Obuasi ne adaya ka ho Obuasi dan nyina ye dwira gu crazy foforo takwa for metimi aye dede say the omo wei de eho agudie Kenya say number 1 and number 2 Newmont metimi aka
boss ukwa Kenya say kura no a unim de o maye mrofo na e wo ho no omo ye adwuma o site ho no omo ahye da akekere wo mukuro udura ha fo ho na omo ahye da te wo mo ho
an say no na apartheid na wo
omo ahye da te wo mo ya omo mane omo yire mu ko ho
e wo school
ya omo afitafo wo ho mo kire omo ade
I know the
babia ankobi
international community
bi ni babia ankobi
I know the onkobi na wa kwa fa bank
the wonko ho kura
wo mo na betie school
asa sa no me international community schools no me sa de bebe expatriates no o kon say Ghana International School expatriates bebe ma o kon Ghana International School no me ade say no o bo say ayi for no o sika anti say sika no ado be ko no o be yo ho na ado na wo do ayi pa $1 a day kura wunya o be ready do back
so metua bibi ade na do ma he ka no kore ni
it's sad o a baby $6 billion worth of gold equal amanone mu na Ghana there 1.5 billion na 4.5 no galam say no ne China for mu di rewre mu ni ade na nyamfa so ye tu ye gudie pam na Ghana nyamfa so
na nka ebe che asa 1 ama ye gya no kwa ama na ko besa fa moruba
ma ba abana o chapa mi jise ma me ma permission
na wo fa de no yanka kakra
Tinibu kwa brave de ja Tinibu wa yo bone Belinda akwa ba me do for now to say
Jamia do bibi
ba yente wa no pay na a quick one obesa birthday no ye de ho adwuma ma wa number no ye 0548 931931 you want to send your birthday wish to us 0548 931931 send your picture or the picture of the loved one quickly to WhatsApp 0548 931931 move simu nim number no ye dey atuja ba me tie obidia
we dey ye dwendwe Omanhene ne ye sa ye ho yare Omanhene are ho so ye be ne den e wo se ye pe apomuden na yetimi di adwumaden se ne ye be ya ebra ne yenso ye betimi abobi ne ye pe apomuden die na me de wadu permission herbal center esan se ehɔ ne biaye a ye nupa edi bre nipa nyina ema yapomuden no esisi ne ho so na me hya ase a na me fa permission herbal mixture herbal mixture abadwa so ide bi e bo ho da ro se eno ene herbal mixture aba etu malaria se eye atidi ti se wonam ho na se wo ho dodo ohun nye wuyi a bisa ho se enkosi da ben e na obekɔso anom abrofu duro no de bia me kasa abrofu duro de betimi aya ne se be manage wo condition na ma wo ebe manage wo yare na ma wo nanso so watena se asesen se ede ba ade na ye nananom mo ya etimi kipi omo app de bia omutimi ya adwuma wo so omo ye oba etimi wo be ye se dumienu ani akire ni nyina eye bibiduro ya bibifo yi de ye nto ye de ntwene na ye nkofa broni de emfa manage no de bia ne ye no fen so ne ye da so na ye nom ti ye besa ye ho yare a eye permission herbal mixture yi ebesan abusti wo immune system no eni be ya den se na be ya yare bia ntimi betina nipadua no emu ebium enti mesra watiefo se mo be no maduro bia no pe no matiesi no matimi akomunyuma so aye nyuma de adwuma enya sika e de abobra pedan papa bi ato ademu a na ye permission herbal mixture eno na eba bedi wakaginamu na aboa wa ma umpomu no esisi ne ho so Omanhene ye hwe maduro yi permission Care capsule eno na ye adro enso so e dia dance ye eba esiesie yen ti say ye ma me nom ye kwa asori a na ye kwa akogina pulpit na chi na je se ye wa dance di a ye die eno a ho dance die na me di na no pay san say e ho dance die ntitiru bedroom ejina ho papa they say mema no dodo na e kanfo omo yerenom ene omo gese say they say no ma himfie na ne on performance no akofom they say omo performance akosora ma oma himfie they say no aye kama e ho ate they say de asumdue e ba fie oba so de asumdue be ko fie na se owura ni age permission Femicare capsules eno ene betimi asiesie wo ahimfie no na de bia na esi form na se wo ba watimi dikete wampanhwe na dikete ne nyom kro agege no tata na odi aba oze permission about Mr. asema make any permission Femicare capsules sebe makra ampo se no kompa so na nani anye adechi no so okwa adwuma ti said ya yema na yenya satisfaction anopa yeto nyom no emema no so omo de na wo omo tiribo na so omo nka ma onya dai ente
tesa oduru adwuma me na frɛ na hani o say yes diasem
dia skana ma fan to ho na enwumre obedidi en dia obeye bia na ese enu ano anadwo no nani anya den anye menua ba se okwa fichire na se mayie okwa fichire wote yaw wotimi tiema masabi yegina nikanika dem kora yetimi te se adwo amansa na ekamu se ubenya dro na ayi nkekamu ya firi ho ya obebrebe no afiri ho eye permission Femicare capsules eno ena betimi adi wakaginamu ena enamu yare ahodo bia etimi tetena oba so no se ubesiesie ho na ni nyina afiri ho mesrew eye permission Femicare capsules eno ena abedwa so atesei ama ema ayemma sima permission berema capsules onom eni yetena pakem de bi odi ni hene eye permission berema capsules eno na sanemrane say Mary May no ye de bi am say ye no ye nka ne kwa frise bema de jesi ye hye wo no bema bi e representing mema omgo wiase nyina
you know it baby
tu besi mema nyina anamu a ubehia adro permission berema capsules wo hwe adro wo hwe bema ye oda so sane wasi abo a eno kire se wo ba be ye bema mapa ubegyinagina wo ho so agyinagina wo na so na se edru anwumre na se wo toche wo yire no e wodan mu a ade beche no na obo wo nyom papa na oto nyom media se da be ma rade chese obeda wasia wonim se nyame na o kanfu nyame na enso so niama o yema ananadwo no na ni so ye emma wo yire enkopra na wo girl ne nkopra ahomache nkoto amankwa atia eyesa na chese wo udin na wo bobo
amankwa atia nyo na ye bibio esa ankoye tinkonto de he
ohun se nka oba de anopa wo pra media se da be ma nyame ese wo
ahwe me so ama de pata ye bi wo makoma mu na o manu se ano papa na wo to no amankwa atia nyo na ye bibio
chese enya de papa
amani bi to amankwa atia
hwe eya senyom ano papa na nipa o sori a yenya obone ankade na aba se obefa praye na
anopa eye bia ba fiera to amankwa atia
Omanhene echen sa feeling no
okay
because when you satisfaction ho nto nipa so ye den ono ana ne tra
it says ho twetwen
wo so ntimi nkwaji break when you akwaje ka wati mu nsa na afi wo so
it says ada bia na mamuna ho
wo che akra na why style unso ni mu biom ne ade na amade bia why isolated so hu wani nye
na de obo adwuma no so de
eni oba ni ejai
me wura
ya se say hu se mema no mfra adwuma e ba na so oba wo fie na so woni gia the moment obe bie gate no obe hu se asakura wudi hia no
gangara
jai
tobo
lion na tiesi
lion is here
what the near makwashia no kwachia no koma na kwaba when you na be kwaso ama wo permission berema capsule
right
se usisi ya wo ya wachi bremu etutu ena madwumaden no so a eye permission berema capsule san say mentini ni mom emuda ho the moment entini ni mu ebeda ho no na se nipadua no etimidi dwuma bia wo say etimidi enu omiensen na abedwa so wotefa wo herbal shop wotefa pharmacy wa ye beba obi ato wose ye ma permission herbal mixture permission Femicare capsules na afi permission berema capsules eno miensan ye kantinika eno na say no Ghana ha etwitwaje yen ema ye ho asisi ye ho so ye di nnuane pa no na chese ye num enupa enso so na esiesie yen
okay
anope se wo kumase na se wo be no permission herbal mixture permission femicare capsules any permission berema capsules a kumase ha Freddy Mens bema obiato Freddy Mens wo keo Qualinac ebema obiato Misty Herbal bema obiato Danny Farmer bema obiato ena afe Abidank nso ebema obiato na wo akran so a Shagisco Pharmacy na Plaza building na mu wonya dru ho pe yebema o permission herbal products ne emu bia ato ena afe Koforidua Nyankwa Herbal nso wo ho Regional Hospital ne traffic light opposite pe yebema obiato na afe Cape Coast Boakye ansa ebema obiato Sunyane court ne nchen ho pe Capital O2 nso ewo ho obema ubi ato anope se wo pe yenu pe bi anom ope na dodo atu ana wo nsem bi a opese obusa wo nkomo bi a wosa woni ye twetwe a mesra wo number wosa ofre ye esisunie 0532
0532
66 73 34 0532 66 73 34 ana say 0532 11 52 68 0532 11 52 68 numbers imu bia ofra a ubenya permission herbal center na one yen atwetwe nkomo
okay
be your own doctor. If he says obey your own doctor, this would di make us to no more bra doctor or any doctor that you mind to be your own doctor and say one cassa obey the balance diet. Adriana bedi no fear. If it's a doctor no on tiffy and or the Adriana amount to one cassa there's away. It's the eye will be nano a chinabiti mayo. Now, yeah, will be all sorry. I was say diabetes way fear, pressure way a busium. I didn't hear there. Obia say I refuse it in Jesus' name. Na sika de na all praise beba. Yare nya japade e na wa pre. Yare yankasa. Me am yare penti minim say yare sitie. Sa wadamfo bia yare pan na say wonu bia yare pan de make obeti ase. Nti so hwe wabra boyi. Sa wan hwe ni ya wo be yare wo beka say Nyankopon. Wa fe obebom pa ekura wo say Nyankopon antie me. Ba wan kasa na wan hwe wadidie yi. Ti na da bia kan for future life I want say dibi. Fi so wodi once a day kura wanya balance diet. Adriana no so ne bonya de me be 40 cedis, e be 60 cedis. Etintina o ma yare mfa no mu. Ti say wonum so ma me no papa nya pressure na diabetes a. Wo so nya wadwen so obepa bi. Ye wadwen sa wo de wunya bi. Enti yare nya japade no afa abon ntoma no. Eti uni padua na so hwe ni ye. Sa wakọ hospital pa na bo hu ni pa egu ho na. Me de me hu so obi yare me hu so wani di ye enti na o yare no. Efi say ye wo no yare na ya fa nka ho. Enam sa wonom no fo na we ye kama na sa na sa we ye. Sa wo akwala fofo na mani fofo dia obewu sa na so hu eti nufo ena nyina akwala no enti so nyini no wani di aduane pa obewu ntembra Nyankopon frɛ o sa wo hwɛ Japan fo a obisa sa di enti no munyini che 135 years 140 years a onka sa me no madu obeka sa aduane a medi no ni nyina ye vegetables na Nyankopon de maaye no enti eye kakra sa be no ada na odwan kakra no wa we hahama no enti na ba ye ho a ya print 12 apostles no say oba ye de be ma hwa wabra bo ye hwa oda achi ye ebi a wo be yare kura na wunwu ne o wo betima da ho abe 10 years wo be da ho saa enti wan kasa wan hwe ho ye a be se dia ye obi ne no china ebi betima ye o enti ntina o ma yare mfa no mum wo ba ya so ye ho a bibi a ha obi aka kire be boa na na wo be hwe obi a o se machi ya me ya mesisi memfe ni nyina o kidneys no gu wachi na me say kidney problems on the papa infections infections buga na ha me fancy
na kidney kunipa
kunipa ni na infections
enra say obi a ni din kuma o say ne sister and am say ade o say eh the abayo na am say there na aba o say kidney na am say
oh say me baby catch am o ya adwuma lab o catch am say ma say kidney problems are dodge malaria fepa na mehu evisa sa wo hu say wachi o ya no mfe o ya pe ana ho hyehye pa enso hu se infections e mo ano na akọ ho so ho se unya infections na extreme ko obi watimi ma nya cervical cancer to oba bia so ya setai ya so you very careful ena se wuntimi nyema e mo ni bia akoto wa de nim na ese baby ni to ma no ase no wan fia na call kidneys wan fia na call wani o kidneys nso ka pe be ka liver sesi afi o nante kakra no abre yesunsu abegina afi de abakwa ese fatty liver so yenuan na ye di ni nye hepatitis
to one way our cast when you
be wu sesi a enti yenuan die ne mesrɛ mo yenhwe ne ye anadwo adidie yenya future life dey me say 40 cedis se wo nyare a dibi wudi once a day kura be boa ewo ni doors fi se obi invite we di se wo nko a instead se be ko wedding ne parties ni ade no obi a be invite eni wo na doors Nyankopon de ye de se emran tentem so we Japan for so gone too soon 84 years na no kura no na che se den pa so ho ti yenuane die no yanhwe ne ye na ekina ye be bo bi before da bia wan kasa hwe aduane die ye aduane no na de ya ne se obi wo ho na se obana no to no pe no obi sa se me se ti me di de me di da na se bo wan ka wan yare ye me yemfa drone se ho yare yemfa aduane mom ense ho yare eti aduane na siesie ni paduane nti machimate bia ma oni paduane me se se mo ano se che wo ho pe obeka se ye di nkukodua bi agu ho obenyina fe na wudwu ho ye se dua nyina ne problem me se ni paduane da bia me to ankremu nsuo se ankremu nsuo se ye mana wo sesa so ana wanse bia ngoma etosini sana ni paduane nyina na ne ma bebre fi o system no mu enti e kwafon no cells new tissues ni nyina na emre enti wo the way supplement enti de every mu no na ade ko hye ne ma e aduane ankasa wo din nsuo fret se sorry lack na wadi we enye den Mr. Tiefo so obi amfa future life enye na aduane ontena ho me se wo ti asempo na ada na wawu agya wo ma wa bre wo ma ho sef aduru ba bi asebo mo so be hwe na yare usika nyina de be hwe yare enti na da bi ebo future life de rama no say na ulcer so ekuni papa ulcer ni nyina ulcer no nyina ye cancer ekuro bia ye cancer se chobe se be fa wachi nyina ebe yo endoscopy entimi nya hwe Nyankopɔn green tea ni nyina de make na green tea infections de na green tea de kumwa no na also de no so ye green tea ni nyina green tea ahodo enti wo ba na de ha obi aye ma green tea ahodo na wa be hu se Nyankopɔn do ye nyina na me ka hye Nyankopɔn ne monyam so obi ba ho se wanya fatty liver o mso nsuo so akogina the kidneys ho doctor ka chen say the chances in the 50-50 and o se nurse bi ka chen so omra ho no kwasem se wutua wa no ayare bi e obi a na beko oba ye yetuatua nenuane no ono a osa call 3 weeks ni o doctor no ka chen ne say eye ne nwanwa and o ka chen say oba future life na doctor ne e ka say future life ne e de na me ka chen say ye aduane and o say ye de na me so yetuatua nenuane ene ma ne ye vegetables so onom enti nuane na ye di no na ekuye me ni di bibia keke nye bibia na ese yetiti gu yam enti osofolo alignment enuane no so ya to apete o mamu ba bia enti so frɛ number na wo ma hoda de abra so office etuatua ye hoda oba etuatua enuane ankasa so ho to wa mesere ankasa osan kwedi aduane no na se doctor ama wa da dro so a wa ankasa ko hu doctor no be start ye yiwa free so wa ankasa mfa ope obi ba o se na de no ko form too much enti ojai me menya doctor enti me ka chen so nko hu ni doctor enti wa mfa ope nyai osu ni sugar na ko 4 na mse ko hu wa doctor no onu abekire kwan obefa so obu oso a ojai no wo ye ya doctor ne ka so nya na wasa akọ na aduane dada no ho be stretiefo mumu ye hwe abrabo ye hu hia che bibia enkwa ede enkwa hia tu hia nema na ni nyina ye nkwa wo so nante kakra no wabre ene kidneys ne ha nkrofo especially mema no omo de omadi de ne nkoye omo magazine be se petrol na ye fe no ene rubber ye hye ene frama ne nuoma rubber ye didi mu me stretiefo future life and prima yare antina muti bra so yo so full alignment oba ha me church okran be so abedidi even future life box no kra was 30 minutes exercise a day na no nsuo 8 cups a day enti your numbers ne 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 80 90 Bako say 0246 01 another 01 50 make some can be 0246 01 another 01 50 and make I try to say be me be our prostate so when you infection pa now I to say enlargement and answer a cancer oba e ho na ye ma otini no se mo na enwa obetima treat se enko obi wo so asabe onim se ne ho ayemre emo no na ama ho ayemre nti oba na mo ne wupe mo se obi bia ye kama edi Nyankopon gya mo nyina so full alignment e bi o mampon aguna sunwane enkran bi o ba bia nti
all the answer for number no 0246 010150 na enyame aduma memne da mo wo ukoyensi ye
koyensi ye na mo bra kyerensua
a kyerensua
me twa mo nyina
okay
se yenti Sompa omutie no wo bra afopa enti mo nyina mo bra
yo ye ja yate so follow alignment ko ho but a kyerensua ye frɛw bugoja no koyensi ye yenti chama wontumi nsɛm kan ɛna bibiefo ni sna chebia ansana babedwafo atase. What do you make of what chama wontumi said with respect to Swami interchange?
Yes, that's it. Swami interchange, you know. Because Santemai, as a more can say, I didn't know with me. So I guess Swami interchange, you know, as him far 2024. No, I'm going to say, from crack inland port, and then Swami interchange in Asia, and then Bibia no with my Adea Akye Abia. Omubebu ye mokodo ba to abano de amay 2024 e tira say ade bia no a bobia no de be se bia de be dia entino as a regional chairman the yama for kachire group bia I was say so yeso ye bitu enframam na akufado so te kase as well as Santemai ehia Swami interchange.
So join me on the line 0551931931. Is that what you make of Swami interchange? Say almost asiampo no mu tumi yedu baby and no mu take it off. To send your bankra mani abre ye gidi no a. Sana onso so be hu no Kumasi airport almost getting to shape near Adena. Me we saw no pay. Join me on the line 0551931931 0548931931. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Oman.
Me ba chow. Mami ti on no pay.
Yeah, now they need. You make a say the best place. I've been a young lady. You see a June you. But then I'll be some entertainment to 2024. But how many money on the source of my shoe? And you have no more to come up here. The amount to return that I know. For so on a Santa Maya, I'll be your queen. Don't the money, Muhammad, is just 3 years. It's more than 9 months left of that court. But the next 3 years, basically, is work. Robert Sasso that much a community, and you have asked what I'm going to.
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho Wendy.
If I say, I do make a work on the food.
Mami ti on no pay.
If I saw MPP, a seminar, Sama.
TV no kasa meti why?
If I saw a seminar, Sama, can I appear? And maybe I quite say to Masia, and I a trouble my woman. Send the Adum Pidiano, Moye, into a pass, a few days. Omo ebochi umayeno omo yemaye na Omanhene we dem selo enkofo bi de enra me control say enkofo bi de Ghana card ore omo se omo register no mama yi 10,000 implement ase ni ana
o de koni scam why? Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omanhene.
Pacho Wendy.
If I can do copy after me ka free Western North region atenkregwa.
Oh, na ye ka Santemine so am interchange you.
Miss Masam catch Omanhene Wadaroma.
Mami Tiway. Nankawe de Asante region.
Asante for here interchange at the Boama MPP vote across. Now so by Western North one so you was sending a quite big into to that there so na enya kura be 32 years near president Kufuado Adaroma why yama Western North.
Wow. Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. But you're free.
But I'm Casa Fabric from a circle for.
And your bank, Mammy Tiway.
Can be an MPP4. It was Santa Marcosia. Yes, sir. So full eye to a Boakye. I didn't feel bad doing any. Then you made the damn Santa Maya. I guess you would train a buy no query, and son one the city, the Asiama Santa Maya. Ye here in Cassia, interchange, you know. And then here a part they are come. It's all kinds of time. The man can I free now interchange. And Santimemuha. Yet you and see a book Bianca say, I deal with the FM Santimine and in Benyam. And the MPP at Tanahama party, you know. I can't 8 years every year. I say no mobile press conference, you say, or mobile interchange. And I say, I charm to me, I say, I buy say, or may interchange my end. You're fair, why you
Sir, hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omai.
Pacho meet you.
From Daniel, you would do better.
Anya Casa.
Omai, Kaka Mekan say that I charm my auntie. I shan't my duty and say, the man penny the best at Medino. Nagana for young years, not in any dark opinion media every. Nimum say, I'm paying for shots here, and the problem will be my Sompa FM. One of my pacho, a famous at that.
But, meet you on pay.
The pacho, radio, because a free so, and pacho, a interchange name before, yes, I too late. You know, I flew up on the Yanto. Because him before we are quite Manuel that.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Why you?
Pacho Michael.
Michael, free hang.
Free di chamto.
Casa, Michael.
That's the pa. The mestre. That don't know a some about you. Yes, sir, you begin chance next room. Near Doom. Near Peter than asking some anything. Don't mean Pancho, there's some more come. Oh, come on, come and you have a tear here. We work and tears here, and no, which you come in the office worker. I don't know, you don't mind a jam. What so my Baba says, you woman for me now. I can answer. So hunting also the figure and the woman that's what you are so.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omanhene.
Pacho Hanye.
Media new to a champion rabbi, Mikasa Free at Mamponia.
Otomitio.
Honorable Sama and Persuasion. Interchange that cano. Asantimine is near some interchange. Nemum, a do a beer and send ya a bimoka. Say, your castle full eye a block of final. Omanhene, you didn't say a mamubi, and I say, a quobi by you, partly by ya, or mamma. Nemum ne MPP abanam se agina asantiman mu ti sha kwaya ya gene wa asantiman mu ha enti de ese ne se interchange de yegina nemum yemfa nhye tiri mu se yenso MPP aban bae no asantiman yenso ya kwaya hodo na so yankopon adom na na do da ko fodo any MPP aban so am yenso enya echefa.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir. How are you?
Me bacho ye femina no se push.
And now you tell Adaroma.
Omanhene. Hello.
Mete won kan na mentie TV no kasa mete won kan wai.
Omanhene de me kenya ni se. NPP aban. Ya Adaroma asantima die ni je ye ni to aba. Edema NPP pa yi. Na Omanhene de me kenya ni se. So be interchange. Che NPP ebeyo so munyo Boakye ebeyo zenyo 2024. Na dirisi emu trimu nyo mo dete na tete niema ye bata entine o mbetimi aba power. This a meetings upon meetings and actually we are a meetings omo ye nyira ye se omo ye se 2024. Omo ba power enso me ka tire ndisi fu aye wasantimemu so omo ntumu na ne bi nsigda. Ndisi betimi aba power 2024. Omanhene woni nyame nyaduma.
Hello, good morning.
Omanhene Yaw Boakye.
Yes, sir.
The pacho opom to say.
Who ya pa hwan ye?
Obidini techingi efe to akokra.
Obini mi tira no pai.
Ya mi tira o pa. Omai eye no kwatem MPP aban. We ga kase omune santime ni but me dia me kasa. They can't about ya can me many but this one about the big January can for your man to area fine fancy better. What's no? You talk to you. Share near the tribulation. A quite way part if you say could do and then people are by double road from a squatter all the way to contact it. It's a way of the began from town move to us. If you got that way, and you're by papa, now wow, yes, and my one. I'm not yet because you're not to traffic the car, no water, some the old part of one. And now we are talking for a finish here. I'm taking 5 minutes more to create here because that's beginning of you. We know you have to be a fine. If you want to say something, mine, don't say something more. And can't you want to help you buy an enemy of the man? And you're not that. They don't pay and then you put a power go power and what. Let's be getting at the same time. Until you get a better pocket. Whom you trust to make it. You are quiet and you are power at the
All right, Mommy, emphasis. I think one person just so you're funny. We are lawyer George Upon aspiring to be Kwabre constituency or a parliamentary hopeful. So I met my friends this year. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omai.
What's your mind, ye?
That's all. Mammy, I'm a cashier report.
Mammy, I'm into a report.
You, Madam Machipa, so I'm interested, you know, you hear pa. Name to some case almost have a car. You're the trouble. To Munyai, when they did Japan bar, not about the trouble.
Obiawa Angelo de Befau. And then Yamia Duma, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Echo, National Headquarters of the New Patriotic Party. No, I can find a form. And now no pay. Officially, the Vice President and Crawford to an among a cuckoo dambi. Meaning, say, His Excellency George A.C. Watson, Nomden Pedinphobi, Eka Hua, Womoko fa form, Ediama, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, eti be nonkro hokọ no de na omo MPP headquarters a omo ko sia the General Secretary Justin Frimpong Kodua ne Chairman Butemo ne omo aka nyina wo ho. Next week Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will officially launch his campaign and the bid to contest as a flag bearer for the new patriotic party in Ashanti region. Dacho obi kana some any strategy I hold we saw na be busa question way. Nyame adoma next week the official launch of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's bid to become the flag bearer to lead the new patriotic party to 2024 election. No, Nyame adoma next week the launch is happening. We'll get you the date in the course of time. The moment I can emphatically say officially nipa ben krona last week we see week of form but Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ekofa ne form na next week Asante Mantem ha officially ono abeba bi ne dom abedan na ni so ade hunu didi a kire Ghana for any MPP atu ahene ne asi ahene for say ekwan na adom no ono so he's in the game. And no, the latest. Let me do a quick birthday. Lawyer Wahana into aso. Birthdays we no electronic asya ye kesiye kukudam. Tony Sack Electronics. Omo the property products abeja so. Wamo ena aso yasene eme the birthdays iba. Ope electric iron, open blender, microwave oven, washing machines, food processors, energy. Niema would be to say air conditioners. So nominate take a one bomodina na bibia day enkoso kama enfamao. Grace Gift Herbal Clinic Tonsa Fro say stroke, diabetes, hepatitis, typhoid, malaria, ulcer, any prostate cancer and chronic bar can for any Grace Gift Herbal Clinic, hour of home of quality health care. Grace Gift at the Tetiabefo Nubra in Ahama. Any hunya menina ne saya dear. We are there not the number one stop shop. Grace Gift. Kumasi Him School Junction, Baracasa Council, and Crime, New Achimota Petroleum Banglo, Family Life International School. 0543-320-030. 0543-320-030 and at 0244-126-123. Mr. Voyagement and Pump to say Miss Hoya Pa. Okay. Mommy, and check quickly to my wife, Mrs. Mingel Akwabwa, midwife at Mamponting Government Hospital. And there I would that Ukrune Mr. Yaw Akwabwa any more friend in another. Richard Odro of Nkaria Municipal, Sompa new staff, Muso Mountain Kwa. Glorious birthday to Diana Opong, a midwife at St. Patrick Hospital, offensive from Honorable Alaska. A blessed birthday to Bright Kankambwadu BKB of Pure FM from your friends at Sompa BKB. Bright Kankambwadu, and now I will die Mountain Kwa. Samson Kofi Enin Ejekum from Apostle and Mrs. Ejekum. Apostle Ejekum, Kofi Ejekum, Echna Yawada, and Echna, you remember turning cat. I was some Pacomo. Abigail Ohima to 4 and there Wawoda. Happy birthday to you, Abigail. Sounds also and yes, Samson Kofi and Nina Jekum. Yes, Apostle Paul Kofi Jekum. Yawa de Nindi Jumano, Neba, and her name Mamini Nina Mountain Kwan. Samson, enjoy the day to the max. Afe Abigail Hima to 4, your daddy, Mamia Kuya Champoma Edu. Happy birthday to you, Mamia Kuya Champoma Edu. Faustina Achre Who the birthday yampa? What a photo shoot. Hi Fosti. Happy birthday, girl. All right. I need okay. Christiana, happy birthday to you too. And then I would that Christiana. And yankoyanim. Dr. Ebenezer Ajimai, happy birthday to you. From Monique of Dubai News Site. Okay. Anaya Asamoah Ofori. Anaya Asamoah Ofori. Happy birthday, little girl. Okay. Barbara. Today happens to be your birthday. Happy birthday to you, Barbara. And then Richard. You're also celebrating your birthday today. And then Prophet Wilson K. Champo. Prophet Dito. And then Prophet Dito. I would have about 3 kwapa. Happy birthday to you, Prophet Dito. I hope we are done. Okay. Gentlemen, Yadamasi. And what I want to be with Brofo. Try near my penny aye. We are no soon man penny say a man interchange. Okay. Dubai Diana Bekoto Hono and penny for Ababontia be yano say sa car no enye car yeton Ghana buying 26 Toyota Haste fleet of ambulances or Modeba Ghana and Omuko back almost say Ubina Akoton National Ambulance for be Yomano. Dunka on ofina near train nursing in Bia Nikasa and Cheye, but the most important thing is Asantiman Puntio. Want to meet us Asantiman MPP Dijuma Sompa was a bomber basso. They are Kaya interchange. It's not the case. Mamma Wakwaba.
Na menchia wone wahwefo no watifo nyina na menchia stronkom prophet dito na me ema wawodapa menchia de hye wokwa abri nyina ne nana no matrankonwa no kwasem ni esi bi osun bi asunani na de ote no so atekane ne ya ontika se enti ye ka santiman puntu ni asantiman koso de na ye nso ye wo bi ka ni senti ni se twere kronkron no omo age bible di etumu no ene se omo are the believers of bible bible ma yati ase se ni daso ni cheri mu ba makoma yare enti se wo hwe bibi anim na wo hwe animu na wo hwe animu na wo hwe animu na ya yo hwebu ada ahomete kakra na se yenye ready yenye crowd or say be interchange. Why the haste to cut the sword? To do what? Now cut the sword new year thereafter.
It's almost a year getting to a year,
and there's no sign of beginning of the project. It's quite worrying. It's very, very worrying. The drum maybe a party and a drum maybe a never boy in French at the end. Because President Kufo a Juma President Kufo be yen Ghana ha. And then ubia wudi di twapwa. Nanso so enie maybe say ya
abu kwa interchange.
Ya sha se na kikiri na fofi anto ata ne braso. Na manfo hwe mpuntu a waporo de agu baabi. Enie ya Juma waje. Enie se de o man na gina brane. Na ye hwe ye de a yenya firi mu a we have been shorted enti eno na cause of disaffection apathy because say enipa to aba on the second round saafo ni nyina te omo ha se to aba on the first round umzenka president Akufo-Addo win on fair
he was left with 40,000
only 40,000 votes to win
and to me and Jambo Rebecca.
That's the point. Enti sa disaffection sa apathy no these are the things enema wuya na cause ye. And no also near beginning, and this is also at the tail end of the governance.
Yeah, somebody called the cancer. Argentina. And the banner power more ebe kwa we ya na ase mo prem hu se.
Afi na mo hu se ba bia ye nya ye vote dodo no. You see, na ye yama ade bi aha adwen kakra. Memwa President Akufo-Addo abu ne naban abu MPP abu for the last 6 years thereafter no. Yentimi nso so entwontwon no se bibia ankoso ana yenye hwe. Because yenim di aban yizo bae ono so abon homodin bi pa. Na emum de medical kan se di wosu bia esunani. Interchange ya ye kan wa pro bi egu ho papa. Enche ye kura de twa to kura ye pokuya se interchange. Na mi giri se no so na ginger the people of Ashanti because that's the gateway to Accra.
Yeah.
To be a free Ashanti region na kwa Accra. Na upie wo na hwe the speed of work. Speeder adwuma no call within 2 years. Record time no more awie adwuma na and you realize na ne de na esi. Cause baby a wo hyehyɛ wonkosu ade ye nto abo nko ho. Entizenka wo te a enka baby a ya se enipa no na japade won man kana koma ho. Entizenka wa japade a votes na ebema wanya political power no. Sa votes ni nyina wa Ashanti region or the large chunk of it was Ashanti region there. Nen kese nko akoma na ha ne ho. But yen timi nso so downplay much more adwuma aban na ye. Enti ya nhwe yi a ade na koye bese paniko na ha ban. Se wa nhwe yi a obetase ati. Enu nti na ese ye very circumspect in commenting on these matters.
Okay.
Mebo chama untumi abaso e wakokoduro wanya senka. Obey press conference no atwe adwene aban na adwene asi hia se yenya interchange no eno de mene ne ya adwene me bona baso on that but baby a mene ne nya adwene the demeanor the posture with which I omo press conference and honestly I'm not enthused about it one bit.
Professor no me adwene
apart from Professor it makes the whole thing look like a concert. I'm telling you. If you are being honest and sincere with the situation and how serious this matter is, said the idea we
it's so
crucial no and your whole press conference the idea to have the press conference is fantastic, but the posture, the demeanor, some of the utterances that is the point. As if so will be said that trans will be do be as joke as normal. This cannot be as joke as normal. Way as Santemaya Koma, sa project way. In spite of a Juma President Akufo-Addo aye, ewo krum he nyina no. If we did not complement it with this project, trust me, we will come back a mass be a na menti ase da say friend cost 90 when it is cost 90 it is zero
ai zuba okay tan tita hwan
sa na mani nyina
manti ase da
sin cosine and
sin cosine tan tita cosine sin hwan
na menti ase ntia
menti ase do Santita co Santa fine X is without my school master now. I see the trade away. I'm say I cannot crash it. I'm some refimpo. But me see the board. So
look at this. Yea, the opposition I know mudi jumano. Met me a can without any shred of equivocation say Omoba, it will be worse.
Worse as
the plight of Ashanti will be worse.
How?
Because we've seen it before. Nianti Kuromani decapitation, bre. How many years? Any person who come on Ashanti region. Oh yeah, there say won't me fan kwa, won't me say capitation Ashanti region kwa and never. At the money be a normal pilot to be a hand neighbor. Project projects almost started, you know. Omuwi. A lot of them. President Kofo engineer any idea number 2 so it didn't go anywhere. And then some of them are by Wababi. Confirm not teaching hospital. A Danya Nesiwa almost 1,000 bed capacity. See how many years? And then that project is done. And Ope will be free or draw attention to Lake Road. How many years has Lake Road been there? And then check the Lake Road. Check it. A hundred to that's the Abansokobine stretch. Check that road. Check it. Kumasi Inner City roads. adwuma aban ne bae asif sɛ wo ahwe yi a oyure be fi ho sɛ enche bia no na sɛ wo frɛ ambulance emergency a na agye sɛ wo petrol na ade na nante ende there's ambulance in every district one ahwe yi a ye yure be fi no because of this project and ahwe yi a the thousands of school children na aban ya hwe wo mo kwa amu nya opportunity akọ school a ene omo nso betimi abayi obi a omo nso betimi abetena wa fidie so kese so eni omanfo adi nkomo no wan hwa ye yure be fi no se ya nhwa ye yure be fi se sa abre no na aban bi ba ya wo se nursing teacher training allowance no ntimi ntua enti unni wo papa ntimi nhwa wo ma wo nko nursing training school na aya asema ma ada so betuna fi enne aban bi ba ya ono so doing his best I restore all that. Enti se wo hwe na wo keka we nyina bom ne niam akoso ne other projects look at tema interchange ya pokuase obechebe tamale and all that. Na manfo hunu bie na asanteman so hunu bie ne fa so bie ne hu ne fe ne nakono se de yesi ye. Na wa betwa ahomam se wo ba be yeso am interchange de ama ye na afini. Ye mfa asamenti ba ko meto ho no. E mane ya homete. One hwe ya na dwuma ya aban na ye ni nyina no na ya that is the point because you see only abofra kwa afuo mu ba bia abehye no so duro abeso ye no wan so ye na osu enti ade na da santema akoma so a saa ye pese ye hu saa edifice saa pokuase interchange ni ye hunu bi e wa santema no any other place than so am interchange. Every road that connects to Kumasi no e connected through that interchange. Nese afini intimi nko ho abra omampani na mu na betwa ahomam na se we regional executive regional chairman of that weight chairman to me is regional chairman but in the weight it's as though he is the national chairman of the party. You can't do anything about it and that is the truth. And when it comes to mobilizing support for the party, galvanizing support for the party, and whipping the people to go and vote, he is one of the kind. Recently, he demonstrated in Kumau. And it's a winning opportunity. Nessa near maybe a bema wajumano, a bema wajumaya to watch actual. Sa jumano, winning opportunity to deal with it. Don't joke with it. And yet conglomerated as a Sompa FM. And then ye said ye as if nothing is at stake. That was the time I was expecting him to talk with passion.
That seriousness
and passion. I didn't see that. To speak to power as if you don't know who you are talking to. Because where you're fascinating crew, where me and ye and another pro. It is all me. Na president who say, hey, na chama to me na can say dia. Any just say, asem na ya asem. Inti ba ne sana, nke be hunu how urgent we no so be because amemu no, yes human needs are insatiable. Amemu no sika bia nta dan bia mu ne de yew. It is demand driven. Sika nta dan bia mu ne de bu man, say sika gu ha, enti time bia no ye self sufficient sa. Na mum wasem beduru edwom ntem no wasem no mu beduru ne beto asomu no
ni ateotoa
sa ne te enti se wo ama ade no ne se koye se oh we dey
you don't attach
seriousness bia ne passion no to it and man take no as normal as one of those things enti the president kra na kana ntimi ne nkan den some akwata ho we minister e hold the at least ebia. That's all to be
Santi MPs nominee.
That is the point.
See, a government appointees.
And no? Saying so if you are telling us about way any Santimaya bro in any way when it comes to appointment.
Oh yes, that's true.
Look CEOs, at the CEOs, the cabinet ministers, the deputy minister. Name them. Now Abaya Asante Radio kuta chief of staff kuta energy, kuta education, kuta agric. Na bayano akade ahibi abayano
ne kuta trade
ne corona ukuta trade
kuta deputy trade
abayano ne corona ene kuta energy sa kuta ne deputy owura kunya deputy that is the point enti no abayan we nya asantema bro when it comes to appointment. So if we are unable to perform to the satisfaction
and now he
of
has
the
his
good
general
people,
secretary,
to the good people,
a
now you
national
have the general
organizer,
secretary and the national organizer. You
have the treasurer.
Enti aban we no
a bad appointment asantuma ntimi nkasa.
That is the case.
Bampuntio wise.
President de amamu awie.
President
that is the point. Mo na ese mo ye adwuma no. Enti say Swami interchange. If you are unable to do some interchange, we have ourselves to blame. We have our own selves to blame. Because Swami interchange ni there. Me kan ha na maka ne say eya asantema yakoma. It is the heartbeat. If it doesn't come off, me ne bi ebi no mo ka say yemfa sika no nkoye manso kwabri east ni ade. Yes, that would have been fantastic. That would have been say senke ntwa ahomam anka enwo sa ka I subscribe to that. Senke ye twa ahomam ani da so no ba. Chel na acheli mu ba enu nti na ama akomayare no. Enti anu na ese ye hwe na senke metwa ahomam ni enya hwe de a I would have subscribed to that because yes some interchange obi otebo so me fra ho wote manso ono mfa so bi. Obefa so bi once in a blue moon. Enti obi a wo kwa abri east no what so ono so am interchange ni nya nasem but ye Antoa road a obe enjoy Antoa road ye Kenya road obe enjoy Kenya road. So I would have subscribed to that perfectly, but the fact that said ye nim se no ho ni e decide say we ni e be ye ni atwa ahomam e de hu video so a kire ama hu su kom ade ye no e se enya nsuo no no
hi Minia
me de ja to omala
mamintio
no me party no wo ya de bi wo na mabahe mahwe na menka wasem na ne yekokuma wo baaye no party no e wo gide bi se wo super yen super bi wo ha onko
oni ma de kama stress en komo we Juba Minia no kama power chopper se me enko
party ni position de mako
Mr. Pa because abrante no kasa no so me kasa me so me kobia I no pay no MY
may address party no concern and they may address it
because exactly what was said no party no concern no
responding to the wo kind.
Did you listen?
Say MPP for a coalition NDC for well who you coalition
yes
and I say okay
that is exactly what I said
and me address you you need MPP ni coalition competition.
I don't have a problem.
Ena ye kokumewu no yen as a party ye set target my ho yan fa target na ambeto abonte na obi bia so nim say kumewu it was going to be a Herculean task say NDC be kokoje seat no but na ye nim ade a ye kwa ye enoma 4 ena dey see ani so a ye kwa test the members so wa enoma 4 na ye kwa test ahead of 2024. Inti say bibia ye bia na ye test bia it's part of our strategy that we wouldn't want our opponents to know.
I don't have a problem because at the end of the day what I saw is what I said.
By the time
your strategy to go to elections so unfantreme
ayo mu coalition wie ye no na ye free ho na ye free kuma ukwa na ye free ho we had seen that enoma ye de gugu akwam no akwa go de ye can say media for no ma bisa no we are not in a competition over one a tally there what tally what there no na say any letter commission there no emfa legally it doesn't make any sense. At the end of the day the ultimate authority our body or up to me to declare results is the electoral commission omo there na tomate eba one na ye wo how so the meme can say we tie fu etie wa no mu feel say NDC anye coalition no be say ye normal 9 and a coalition is a part of it. Now we were on spot on with the technology that we deployed with our timing and we would improve on those targets. Again, if there's a by-election in Asenov, we will improve on those things to get ourselves in readiness for the 2024 election. So what I'll tell our listeners, the NDC is on top of our game. We know what we are doing, and in 2024, be rest assured that we will be timeous and actively deliver
no
what
problem.
we're expecting from us.
Okay. Baby out the fire and me that's it.
Okay. Now, me eba de modia to dwa yeso a man te bu onwom bi o a hip life akwa mo ba wa se o ti budu mo se o ho ye mesere o ho ye metwe
anu ye hip life no
am na te bi mo se o ho ye
ba da be
ache tetina na me DJ no no o ho ye mesere o ho ye metwe na ki ki on ka se
na ke yo
se o me de budu o se o ho ye mesere o ho ye metwe we mo
Sompa FM de bibi for nyom na aboma mo
o ho ye mesere ade no me ni nyina wagadre kumasi fo munim ade amohwe so nto aba assembly emribi president Kufuor ekache
osise
president Kufuor kache o kwa to aba wa nipa na wo kwa to aba no
hwe wasitre
wa kasa wasitrem na to aba into obi enum dwa what I say ya kaka ni nyina kusi a futu bia ni wase jekaka kodidi meba eti usika sem wasitenam udwadiem wo taxes mu wo kan ye piem what I say usu etisen
asem ni nyina
asem no bia ni nyina fare bai no sika wo krom wo to ade ayeto wo adum wo business se kwasai nipa se ne yayi wo mu adie nipa se na enya adwuma ayo afi na ye ba bewuram ani da so o ma adwuma case close
nya interchange
omo ya mesre unim untumi ye wagadre ni man penye ni ye senior wagadre ma ne party for no wagadre supporters
obi
no omudi wagadre no
agro jeme this one when
wagadre
you are able to tell the president so
wagadre odada yen no obi da
wagadre what you say unless you don't understand
and then get through udi for me
and then obi a fraudulent obi a fraudulent
metro fraud no
and the Joma made the agro no because agro and this and they will be intimate.
No. Me pacho. I'm tell you wagadre. Yeah, ni want to me why but president there.
Adea Misha me start no.
Bazube. Enka bibia. Go be to me akebia. But you wagadre. What are you talking about?
President ya dada for.
And no your west.
Fine.
But
I will not dispute that, but wagadre there.
Why dada for?
Okay.
Open.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Why dada for? Kitra one pack se pa. Na de wo mu ni say. Osun okrom ha. E kan interchange no so ani pa be state language say. When ya tamakonya kese say busumu za ni e do to kem. Ni e be si so man about that. Ene ye je ho ena ama mo se na ya die na Kufuor adue ababa se so am interchange ama mo se no mbegina ha no mo owi no bodua mo amote ha na mo ka mo ase bo wa no nya me be twa bo ka ba na be bi o kan sa asem e ru apoko status yo santima yo susumo wo gina ba bi na wo ka asem ma masahwa no ye wo ye baby wo ho kasa na wo gino mo yema wo statue ni so na wo do me wa me wo aji so mbo good ensa e wo statue no pacho
asa no ma na
what me so am interchange me na pacho baby o gina kasa no me sem no baby o gina kasa no me sem no aji so mko statue no be twadwan kasa na no man kasa ye baby a be gina man fa ni dia ma statue na mu ye no mamu ade sembe hu status na me dome santeman efo a omo kasatia aban wa anye sa ade na ubo se tumi ne e wa santeman wa sa tumi wo yenti akwa wo baby o mo se wia na apuku statue no masa mo afu musa ha mo afu wi wasa na kwara kwa no mo jana nwura nu na asante puku ai status yo ne wura je ho prekesa na asembe na mo ka cha me ben pani 40 kroma ya yi o mo hwo etwa said na poku a statue na sinfinfin yo ni ama hu ofu saa mo kasa ya chia me say na mo ka mo bu ade na enyemoa ena no maame bi ka bufu sem bi sa kire me oba hankra kuma wu by election o ka mi twa no photo me santini de me to abama ndisi de megime kasa me kire me
Sompa FM
sa kasa na wo mumu no sa ne ye na wo mumu no ene mo de a tiny tribe na ya politics no eno na ewi mu sa se mu ma ye nyina ya dwan ba wan na de mpunto bre me hwa masitram ni ye nto aba kasa 10 yewi nke ye hu ha ana no yase ya de busumi edumienu eye real gauge e de afikase e de akobo ase mpacho what has happened to it shortcut it ni asesa na na mo hanfu munse mu ade munse munye no sa fa hanfu no sa do ba kokotena what has happened to it me ye na me ka che mu se ebidie na egu mehu bidie a megu hu wo railway station e waduma omo boa emaso so ami tenche ya be 5 months me ba ha ya me ka che so omo sisi aka me ma me dan bi wa ha afi ko omo ne ngasa e emaso omo boa man kan cho ha ya
se dan bi ho munya
man kan se ma me da afi na tape na drum me ka che se omo boa emaso di omo ye omo plan o tena me say omo ye waka tre no e planting now no hear about your announcement yeah we no hear that out be where man here yeah we hear no what in that me boa na no mo ye rally okumawu ayi undumi no tiba o mi anchen ma banyi ba okumawu kwase na nyo ne na nam etu pa so ka asem che ma panyi a won ne nam a wo ka wonte adi so press conference masa azan mamu ma we mbitimu unim di omba babe okwa omba ho strategy omu ya ma untumi aka na zo chema akoka ye no ene ye tie no no anya so dia ye akukuduro abebu kutudwi abepacho buntuma ye miguso lobby enu azan omu boa omu dada enu no mo ye enti nenka ubaye ni mampenya kwa kushia upekwan ya nka njenze mampenyi in fact ebufu owu kumase no party ya general secretary region ha chief of staff vria Rose no deputy ba kum vria na nka se bodu bay vria enti ubaye kwa ya gise press conference leader of government business abide the laws of parliament enya ni interchange ni wa metara wo ha nka nchozo mu ye auxiliary roads bi omu ye wi a contractor ni sika ni nyina ba why are the auxiliary roads be say omu dadam omu afa mo nwa omu bom to da omu ndum ba ya be nkwan da bia mo santman mbi bifu omu ndum ba ya be nkwan da bia de awufu omu boa enti omu ni wuntumi na akwa hyehyɛ wo na omu say de aye no abato no ya ben say wuntumi na sa strategy no we bi won say obepe chairman first one no call agree for order na GBC on no call do baby o and we see party officer mom and we jagu was our wan ko hu bio and we ba be pen the second term and the third term as chairman no was an ko ho gidigidi no do lentil o mo to aba ne man wie no was akwa de azan o ma kire no ento o ma shi se adwuma no o ba be no ho se o ba aseme ko kan etu o ma be September October no o mo so ma ba kwan no ekwan so ye be 36 months nti e ba kwan hu a na ya se twam so na menwema
to ni gds so
plan work o me ba wo o mo ba no mo hu se o mo ba ya afi o be kate sword no no mo ba hu se kasa be ba ho no e no mo asha da so ma wuntumi so o me ya press conference e me ka bofu hunu akwa we ni pempen de me fam dum pass isa cha ti beba fo so bu ye shere se mo ka mo a agglomerates and agglomerates way enkwara na mutie bi no unnim na control exams na ye hia na control agglomerate mi donya me example na two paper na bi obeto adwere ne mutie sa abofo mo mudro bi da
why you
cheba video na no wanka ye de wonu zo bi de na wanka ye de cheba video mo yi bi yeah men no
Fanusi.
Eti di Africa na ne say ayaza. Na onim upe party a odwene asante ma ho. Oboa pa mama sena koya. Mpani se krombe oda.
Enu botum.
Uka country bia ma. Your capital home. But your cities bia and the business hub of the country. And over Ghana ha obia dia dance say Kumasi is the business hub of the country. And then my businesses enkoso. Environment, regulations, support. Mewa. Okay. Enkane no. NDC ni embaye no. Atamu se njo mama maye no. Na Kumasi na kwa register business na faka na konkran. And he said we can have the second largest city becoming the business hub of the country without the Registrar General's Department being there. Yatam is your court now. We develop Kumasi. Who say, look, the media has become the fourth estate of the realm, especially radio and television. Now, man, tiani maba we dear putting radio mono. Okon kraya, omo di muni na 90% fi Kumasi. We have to regulate the industry from Kumasi up to the northern sector. Ni peja National Communications Authority dan kakraka bang nearby ne da ho. We develop Kumasi, we make sure money gets to your pocket. The biggest problem I want Ghana ha businesses is acquisition of lands. Some kayaba mo this all konkai. Ni peja lands commission dan kasia pao. Ye di besi ha bang. Ama GIP si munyanya baby atetra okoma. Ye knew they said no. Who had the influx of people from West African neighboring countries Kumasi to come and trade? You needed to give them an international edifice befitting the status of Otunko Asase. Kadetia ne twaso. Ye me second phase or for me my Sompa omo bae sika wo ho omo ti sika ndusa ne asa kwaje besia Adea Akye Abia ye ja hoko ye yin kwaredi kejiti aka ho and would look Kumasi center as a penini krum ubedu hello FM street no e kwani finfin no ye toton board ye ne eburo e wo ho kwani nyina ye ndade sisi ka kwani mo rim no ye ndade sisi rim so age kwani nyina de afaso amakone bunka mafaso me pia ye nkoma because ya pamu ni perfi central market man panin so disika na wi project na ka ya pamu nkofo kofi mo si yesi dan debe o conformity na mpacho kufu oba na nka Ghana ho 8 years na mo kase kufu na yeso abofo oba na nka Ghana wanye meba mo ba 2 years 9,000 bed wabu no zo my 500 yesi nka hwe nkai omo firi ongoe we mu omo dadam na me no ba ko ka che mo se asanfo de anya hwa mboto anomu ni mo beto eno ma panyi so betro tek se wona do nsa so also who develop as better men this no I wasem no mo nim se mo beto me simple pa question region what is the region go big sun free road da what be da
no super achimo da for super
e klube ya
achimo da ni important ade
ampa de fo ndi omupra
omo super
ba wo fa kwa ben na wo fa chebi de odu asamafo nyina use wifi
ahara me didn't see ya me basi ya
na wo fam tafo na wo kofa kofo dua ati ho asa de wo ko akoko pie so manya e ho na east region de omoyo
me basi ya
finally empanyifo na musu from we leader of government business we minister of education omonwene mu obi apere me tuba omia.
Thank you. I'll come to you. Sankofa. Spices, papa. Na bomodna se ubenya sankofa spices. Edi aye duane. etu yadeɛ yi nneɛma nyinaa firi hɔ sɛ nneɛma ahodoɔ a wɔ nipadua mu a spices no de yadeɛ ne nneɛma ba no sankofa spices eyi ne nyinaa firi hɔ wobɔ mmɔden kodwa so a ɛyɛ 10 varieties pɛprɛ hwenten akakaduro nketenkete rosemary nom ne garlic nom ɛfɔm wisa soro wisa ɛne yɛde ayɛ 3A herbal center yɛn ɛna yɛde 3A co capsules aba ɛyi pains firi hɔ pals a koko no hyɛ aseɛ ɛma wo yɛn mu ntim ɛno nti ne yɛfrɛ no the 3A bɔmmɔden sɛ wobɛnya bi atɔ 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 afei na me kamfo amawa Kennedy digital satellite 70-inch TV up to 65 inches smart and curved TVs for tabletop fridges single double doors 90 liters to 500 chest freezers 100 to 900 liters air conditioners 1.5 2.0 2.5 horsepower fufu pounding machine for domestic and commercial use sewing machine for home and industrial use washing machines domestic and commercial use ahodoɔ nyinaa da na odo ani kyerɛ wager old barrier a bend traffic light na yɛwɔ hɔ Kumasi family plaza building no first floor Boss FM ɛna Patase Adom house Kennedy junction first floor behind police depot puswa homa no pay 0207 653 031 0207 653 031 and a 0244 385128 0244 385128 Dimpa Natural Health Clinic a different type of ulcers obudi hujuma a peptic gastric duodenal GERD acid reflux and H pylori so wokwa yabde emfidie besi sioswa hwehwe mu aye omoja mu ehwehwe mu nyina na ewia ye de dro account abefo natural herbal medicine both local and foreign and ye kabom ye hu baby ayade ne won ye de amawo Kumasi second floor wireless towers aha ne wo bomodna de chapso airport runabout kwan so can mention health insurance dan mu a for 0245 118 434 also there Dimpa 0245 118 434 and 0246 744 744 3 of Arc Limited Company Limited Canada now person call we a midwife lab technician and health worker the Canadian Review Health Program no you do be call your mouse sika wo dey be cost school ni asasa boa ma watimi a day ya adwuma na watimi di ahwe ho na ye do afa 1 year tutorials mu amwo hunu sene Canada for agi ayarehwe oye obi abeso call Romania factory worker supermarket worker caregiver mechanic farmer banker plumber teacher forklift operator oye Tyler construction workers cleaners caterers ni nyina da ye de uko Romania wo Europe na wakoye den wakoye adwuma sika no so modu for 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 and 0205 572 076 0205 572 076 Adwato Masalachi Abripo Junction che ho be hu Sanso na Kaswa New Market Road Fidelity Bank first floor ye wo ho aperitivo non alcoholic bitter nunum bi netwitwa bi na eniema nya adwuma woni padiem so onya aperitivo a non alcoholic it's served chilled herb spices and a fruit all the way from Italy it yi wontini mu ema appetite balance na utimi se odidi kama obi a odidi pii no ema wo ni DP also a wontumi ni di no ema wo didi aperitivo siesie ni padua no kama serve chilled 0246 270221 the doso pro no mixo drink ena mixer beka 5G drink no the dear friend 5G ni say G nkwa 5 ginseng ma be ma utimi sipista wompem great tea ma osote grapefruit ye ni padua no adwuma ma okala kra efe any grapes garana so edi stress o unu wi am so ho aju say fom e ma hodin ma utimi ye chuma but modern anya 5G energy drink no da unya 5G drink here wa obedi dance here wose okode be too far open do support to a friend 0246 270221 0246270221 na miso de eno an ye de wedding engagement outdooring any special occasion na wunya mixed fruit and mango now the cubes be gumpa no nya opa bi awia o lunch no mix up fruit drink and any fruit juice no but modern so benya be 0246270221 Leicester Ghana Limited and you ope washing powder papa for any chere ho eno ne Yaw's washing powder e ma wonsa ho twitwim twintwam e ma ne ngroro obiaje Yaw's washing powder ye toothpaste no e whitening herbal paste obiaje atuma yi nkanka fi wonum enka bi ama afa sanitary pads no Sunday na ye women menstrual hygiene there na enya agro kra uhia minty normal uhia minty extra long wings heavy flow no and na uhia purple extra long wings heavy flow uhia any normal flow ni ade nyina na panty liners awodo ye baby wipes say the find mafra no to homa omoto ngugun sa ye wo toothbrushes Duke, Duchess, Princess and Monarch conflicts papa bi ye crispy and crunchy bomoni nya bi number no 0501 390337 0501 390337 and 0244 596 943 0244 596 943 Divine Hope Herbal Center Ochia Herbal Powder sisie na wo hunu de onyo ba de be ma wo pre na wo kam no afa koko adokro wo eno pressure na ekosoro no bomodon anya ochia herbal powder sexual weakness ahomre wo mpam afa akote yade bi a ochia herbal powder won tinka na watinka tiko any ulcer ne how yade ahodo bebre no ochia herbal powder ne enom ne sei ucha package no so na wo hwe gunso shem wanum no anom macro abusuakruwa junction inside the whole Kumasi building no obehu yen ewo ho your number is 0591 566 557 0591 566 557 now open WhatsApp line so 0551 222 281 0551 222 281 me wrap it up with you my member won chai na me ma 2 minutes na wrap it up ma me ne page mo
oh there
o tie zuba o se mo ya za number
oh eno dey say na dwen na work asanteman be ya asanteman nyina MPP aban ene na dwen pa wo ma aban ena amande yedu di edu ene ma work nyina say we didn't do 8 years of their time or more power na say I no man anya amai eti omo de obetimi o so pe power there opetu media sa niam we e ba ni say ya you take political capital out of it yeah and give because you do maybe say any part of failure can be your your profit
your trump card
and omo no bibi say ya ba na e ka ho asem a so am interchange and na so am interchange baba enfie nwatwini ne ni ho senka mo ba ye mo dwena santema ho na nka mo pagya si ho na mo de amaye na nka e ba na nka mo de ahye ya niwo se mo amose mo na mo ye asantema akoma no mo antimi anya ya ba ya mama enti na se yesu a o ma ye prayer interchange na nye se de enya no de mpew na Oliver twist as you ask for more all the time enti no de ebisa na se de enya ni nyina echi no omfa we meso yeso omfa we ne garnishing no o de interchange ne
icing on the cake on fan garnish ma de no enye complete na ya yese adwuma wa ye nyina ne ahoden a wode ahye empuntuo mu asantema mu nyina no enipa bi adwene ya yese ye nya interchange ne nka ho ye me ye didi awie ya sankwan ya wenam se nya ice cream ne ntiti ni nka ho a enye nwie pe eno ye dessert enti eno na ese ye hwehwe enti ye ka amunye din na se ye ka aban ya adwene nipa ho ma mpuntuo ema enkoso ma nipa nya adwuma ya ne enti kroma na mka kire se o wie school ne se o pa adwuma ya kokko se sabo employment minister ye kokko se sabo gu bucket team na fa bi gu kwa ho o se gu kwa ho a obenya one trip no aton anya sa akotwitwa sere wo de be gu kwa ho a wo wie legon akotwitwa sere na de abegu legon kwa na obi aboti penantwi opediane amanantwi a no akoton ama. This is your solution. We need solution to the country for unemployment. And now when you know you can't swam interchange when you know can. Monkafra na swam interchange no so. Take it or leave it. By the time I buy you gonna be no. E dey here swam interchange.
na ya ninya se ya start ni ya so am interchange na la wunim na date so crown say nim ye up to 2024 ye one solid year yen kan no and esi ya ye bosu minsia so sa da ye nim. So what are you talking about? 18 months. Boakye interchange they how many months na? 18 months solid. So what are you talking about? And do they relax na said ye tie bia no de ye hwehwe ne yen sabeka na de mo hwehwe no so mo nsanka.
Yaw ombe so am interchange shortcutting say 36 months in the bidie ade enya hwase usu be 22 on say meka say na ada no on ne de media ye gusu ye adwuma ne mom ye nam kuma de ye tia ne say NDC for de omo ba sika bekro edwadi koso MPP for no ba na sika frapata na businesses egu eno na ye nam a ye church enkofo de ye ya emasika ba ekuro ma de ye na ma ye se o ye kwan ufi airport runabout oba who try jofe or bridge no watutu wakofa emesia kunkuma abo bi aba besi ho ena udru crow from wa ni kakra ena ode asphalt inches abegu efie mienu achi atutu so aye kwai ena atifa se wa nya ko akiri ho ena asan de bigu wa de ba crow from santos ho atutu ato ania wo se wa aye kwai wei yei ma ya kwa atozu de bozo ma kwa because I'm muza ma kwa ba na de amaka Kumasi no enya part of the greater Kumasi project munye hui okay munye foko let's run it
nana ya sewa kwa muhima na ye ne hyase enne kwa muhine eton safre munyina nana ya sewa kus ne mame eye no enne ena hyase up to 1st June yes up to I hini fefe pa kus na ye no nena hyase the entire Sompa morning show crew we sympathize with you
baby a party ni she no
BKB I saw of abroche so ba last week nti ya na BKB wa koye party no kuku e was say we party cause what the ice about dollar so ho
ye boss wa ache
ejika kam aha ye moto life for one ne so money su
so me nyina ye tinka ni nyina
all right happy birthday to you BKB
oh no she match say
oh gaga dey say that ma call no photo from TV
oh ye breezy
and no mo ye ibi no mo friend say oh me rafi
no ye breezy
na
on guys school for guys bi e ma be tretra bet bizu on kwanje mo
oh gaga way back oh why are there
for mercury
ai
mercury no be kai ho a shefe wache wadwuma no
wache why are there pa why are there BKB that time you could try ya no okuta your cameras and they were a big man
Mr. the also adwuma we
the also been take the catch oh on a cabro for mama tea you need to up to the ante
what na
time was see oh photo from this
remember bakrewu
na unima abusia for any musia na abudi abi